front of that location, now 1042. Sir, were you able to get a hold of that late lunch car?
Negative. I'm fairly certain I saw it.
There's supposed to be a black Impala with a flasher zone parked illegally. It's running parked in the street.
Okay.
913. Two Charlie people.
Hello? Yeah, I'm not going to be able to make it. I've been out on the road earlier, and Louisville Metro has done a terrible job of cleaning these roads. I've almost wrecked out twice just going from my house to Bashford Manor. So, yeah, I'm basically going to have to just stay home today and miss a whole day's worth of work because Louisville Metro is just, I mean, it would have been better if they had not even done anything because the snow at least had some grip. Now we got slushy snow on top of ice. So they actually made it worse. You're welcome. Bye. Cheeseburgers for supper.
I know. Texted
Whoa, dude!
Texted to see if I wanted any. I told him no.
Dude, get back! Ugh.
What the fuck's wrong tonight? Nobody knows what they're doing.
Whoa, dude!
What the hell?
Well, go, dude! Dude, what the?
One call Baker, you're 80 miles up 19 to 1649. Were you in a Victor Ford? You got cut out. Did you say everybody was clear?
Yes, ma'am. We clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sure. 1355.
Okay.
4-4, guys. You got another.
He just took off through a red light.
I saw that.
Tampa.